Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial again, and this tutorial I am going to cover a file system modules rename and copy method. So let's start with renaming file. So let's create a file rename.js. Let's repeat the same steps where fs equal to require fs fs dot rename, and suppose you have a file hello.txt. I want to convert into the form of by.txt. hello.txt, and I want to make it by.txt, and we required one more callback rename file copy this one function, and if it's showing error or throwing error, then display error here. If error, then console.log error error else. Console.log rename done. Save it and run node.js. Rename done. Let's go back. Now hello.js is now converted in the form of by.txt. So by.txt is renamed from hello.txt. Now let's start to work with copying the file. So for copying the file, we should have follow the two steps: copy.js. So first, we should read the content from one file. Read content from one file, and next step, write the content on next file. So suppose I want to write a content of by.txt to another file. Let's make another file, and I want to write, let's say, another file by.txt. Okay, now let's go to copy.js and start writing a code for reading a file. So by.txt, we have a hello, how are you, and bye bye. Okay, now go to copy.js, and here again import var fs require fs module and fs dot read file sync, and pass the name of the file by dot txt and comma, let's utf 8 third is a callback. So let me make reading file and write a function here, callback function. So it's accepting two parameters. First one is error, second one is data. Now if it is error, then throw error console dot log error else else we are getting data here, and we need to do the we need to write the content in the next file. Okay, so we need to write the content of buy.txt to buy.txt. So write content on buy.txt. So now again say fs dot write file and pass the first parameter as a URL of the file. Now I am saying buy.txt. Second parameter is your content. So content is nothing else, it's data. So let's add data. And third parameter is UTF-8, and fourth parameter will be your callback, write file. So now use this callback again. Function write file, and here again we are getting error. If not error, then it's successful. If error, then not file is not written. Dot log error else console dot log content writing done in a file. Okay, view integrated terminal, clear node, copy dot js, let's see example write file. Okay, read file, not sync, it should be a read file. So read file sync not going to execute your callback function. Okay, so it should be read file. Save it. Yes. Now it's throwing some error. So first is read the content by UTF is not defined. Okay, not required here. Save it. Go to view integrated terminal. I think also, yeah, correct. So go to integrated terminal again, clear the console, run the. You can now see first it's reading the content hello how are you and bye bye from the buy.txt, and content writing is also done in a file. Now if you want to check, let's go bye bye text is generated and the content is also written. So that's all from this tutorial, and we have learned lots of things in FS module. We have write the file, we have reading the file, we renaming the file, and as well as now we can copy the file with the file system module. So see that this is very helpful in development of Node.js. Thanks for watching. Bye.